Need to find a specific guest fast? Let's walk through the search and filter tools. Start with the search bar. It supports full text search, meaning you can look up a guest by name or by any default or custom field, like email, company, or category. You can even combine terms. For example, type Sarah Citibank to find a guest named Sarah who works at Citibank. Next, the status filter. Use it to narrow your list by guest status: confirmed, unconfirmed, canceled, review, or checked in. When a filter is active, you'll see exactly how many guests match that status. You can also use search on top of a filter to narrow things down even further. So, how do you customize visible fields? Click the plus icon to display more fields, or simply hide the ones you don't need at the moment. This keeps your view clean and focused on what matters. Now, bulk actions are where you'll save the most time on your guest list. Once you have a filtered or searched list, you can use the checkbox at the top to select all matching guests. From there, perform bulk actions like sending emails, updating statuses, or deleting. Now, let's recap. Search by name or custom field, filter by status, customize visible fields, and act on your results in bulk. Thanks for watching, and happy planning!